Hello all, hope you're all having a great day. My name is Shravani Talapaneni and in this video I'll be demonstrating the successful implementation and execution of the abstract image classification model described in chapter 9 of Artificial Intelligence by example. This demonstration highlights the construction of a CNN, the configuration of a reproducible deep learning environment, and the generation of the model's architecture visualization. To begin with, I'm going to talk about the environment activation. I had to create a dedicated Python virtual environment specifically for this assignment. This environment isolates the legacy dependencies required by the notebook, including Python 3.7.9, TensorFlow 1.15, Keras 2.1.2, Pillow, PyDot, and GraphViz. Activating the environment ensures that the model executes consistently and reproducibly. As we can see here, I created a specific environment for this assignment and I'm activating it. And then I'm navigating to a particular folder where I have my training and testing sets located. All the training and testing images are located in this location. So I'm navigating to that location. Navigating to the working directory is essential because the script relies on relative paths for loading the training and the testing images. Next, I'm executing the CNN training script. As the script begins, it initializes the CNN architecture, loads the dataset, and prepares the training and validation generators. As you can see on the terminal here, the model has started running and it's training. As the model trains, you can see the output for each approach. The dataset contains 20 training images and 20 testing images across two classes because the dataset is intentionally small for assignment purposes. The model converges rapidly. As we can see here, we have 20 images in the training set and then 20 images in the testing set. In this run, the CNN achieved 100% accuracy on both the training and validation sets. This behavior is expected given the dataset size and the deterministic nature of the architecture. As we can see here, the notebook did run without any errors and it did generate a model architecture diagram and it saved it to the disk. Let me navigate to the diagram and explain the architecture of the diagram a bit. The architecture follows a classic CNN design. The first convolutional layer extracts low level features such as edges and textures. The subsequent max pooling layer reduces spatial dimensionality while preserving salient information. There is also a second pooling layer which pairs and deepens the feature hierarchy. There is also a flattening layer which transforms the spatial features and maps it into one dimensional vector, which is then passed to a dense layer. The dense layer learns high level representations. Finally, a single sigmoid neuron outputs the probability of class membership. The architecture is intentionally lightweight, making it ideal for demonstrating the fundamental principles of convolutional neural networks. This demonstration confirms that the environment was configured correctly, the model executed successfully without any errors, and the required outputs, including the training logs and the architectural visualizations, were generated without any errors. This completes the implementation of the abstract image classification assignment from Chapter 9 of Artificial Intelligence by example. Thank you all for listening through the video, and I'll be submitting a full written analysis, complete source code listing, screenshots, and the model diagram in my APA formatted paper. Thank you all.